So every morning I will use soya milk, nutrition powder, fiber powder, and protein powder to make my nutrition and healthy breakfast because this is the only time that I have enough balanced nutrition and I get to choose what to eat in a day. Every morning I'll use a wellness journal, which is on paper. I'll put a link down below for 10% discount off if you really want it, and I will also put a link that I introduce how do I use it every morning. It writes down the intention of the day, how's my sleep, and the activities that I'm gonna do today, which help me focus of the day.
恭喜你，
多謝晒。
好，你有咩成果呢？去完呢個
呢個周温希嘅西班牙5日地獄之旅，我冇 M 同埋。你知唔知我真係我唔會咁快就完全唔痛咯。平時咧我痛到要跟住冇咗止痛藥唔得噶嘛。
你而家呢？
而家我仲可以飲緊凍嘅珍珠奶茶。
唔係啊嘛。
唔係啊，通常我第一日超痛噶嘛。我今日行下街，佢自己嚟咗 M 我，平時佢一嚟 M 我就跟住先嚟噶嘛。
哦。So hot.
Oh my god, a health coach eating Shake Shack? Yes, I love Shake Shack. So I chose to walk 25 minutes to meet my friend today because London Underground have no fresh air and I'd rather walk more to get more exercise. And remember to bring your water because under hot water, stay hydration is very, very important. And I'm running out of water, oh my god. My friend wanna have udon, so I accompany her to have udon together. Yes, balanced nutrition is very, very important, but also think about the food that you have, enjoying with your friend. It's actually a type of healthy lifestyle as well, because you are enjoying, you're happy, which means you're healthy. I want to give you guys a task. Is to meet one of your favorite friends to have dinner or lunch together, because one of the reasons is having fun and enjoyable time with your friends actually boosts your metabolic system and speed up the recovery in your cell and burn fat.
好啦，咁然後我就撳呢個啦，呢個我就改咗變咗咁樣，即係大隻字咁樣。
I want to give you guys another tips. You don't have to be good at everything. When there's some tasks that you need to do but you can't do, it's better to find a friend to help you out. And this is a way to maintain your positive and healthy lifestyle as well. I am looking for a graduation gift for my sister, and she's the best one because she's a graphic designer and she has sense of fashion, which I don't have. It is the best to remove your headache if you have friends good at something that you're not good at, and you can invite her or him to help you out. Without my friend's help, I might end up not buying anything, so I'm very grateful. And I'm finding clothes for my sister's graduation, and she helped me a lot because she helped me to choose.
Go, go, go! Phantom of the Opera.
I recommend this opera because it's super, super good. I will put the link on the description below. I really love cooking at home because we can cook enough protein, enough fiber, and enough carbs for ourselves, which we can't get it outside. Me and my family are moving to Sunderland tomorrow, so we're packing in the middle of the night. Never underrate Packing, household, and walking are a type of workout and exercise as well because it requires to burn calories. Thank you for watching. Everyone have a different lifestyle and different habit. I personalize a plan for you to achieve your healthier and happier life.